What are you guys doing? Are you racking?
And I think it's pretty harmless, Cheryl.
Yeah.
He's gonna fall off.
No, he's not gonna fall off. He's okay.
Back up.
Why?
Cheryl's trying to take the picture.
I'm taking a picture. You wanna watch with me? Boing boing, is that what you're saying? Boing boing?
Okay, we can see your back. I can't see the elephant. I only can see.
You guys having fun? Wave. Wave at me. Wave.
Wave. Okay, they're not.